Trident. What can't you afford to lose? Why not anchor your assets?
My name is Mike Kimball. I'm with Trident Fittings, an American company, selling an international product to an international client base. Trident, an exciting new approach to solving an age-old problem of securing aircraft, cargo, or other items to a smooth surface. Trident offers innovative products to the military, yachting, oil, and commercial sectors. Trident, like most inventions, was designed to solve a problem. Its unique split design allows for a sealed, smooth mounting surface. Obsolete designs presented significant safety, trip, FOD, and maintenance problems. They weren't as attractive as these. Trident was created when a mega yacht owner requested a bespoke, attractive, yet functional unit to tie down his helicopter. When the helicopter departed and the fittings were easily removed, the deck would be converted to a dance floor. Trident bases are the heart of the Trident system. Trident bases come in a sealed version, flush or adjustable, an open version, which is flush or semi-flush. The sealed version can be welded or bolted in. The open version can be welded in or threaded in. Trident bases are made of individual elements. The sealed adjustable base actually has 12 different components. The most important is the attachment collar. The attachment collar is designed from 316 stainless steel or T6 aluminum. A watertight seal is added before it's welded or bolted into the deck. Once you've completed installation of the base collar via welding or bolting, it's time to install the base housing. Now, the base housing comes with 4 small pin points where you use a special tool which we provide for you to screw it in to the base collar to the desired height. Now that height may be 4 millimeters for some non-skid, 20 millimeters for some other subdecking, or 40 or 50 millimeters for a nice teak deck. But the point is, it is adjustable, and after you get it installed to the height that you desire, you'll put in 4 pins to lock it into that position. Now we make it adjustable so that 2 years later you can pull those 4 pins out, and as the teak deck, for example, sands down, instead of having a volcano up to that fixed fitting, you can lower it and keep the teak deck smooth. With your Trident base housing installed into the Trident base collar, it's time to add the rest of the components to make the base work. We're going to start with an energizer device, which is also called a spring. The next thing to add is the plunger with 2X seals, giving 4 contact points to keep the base dry. The last item to add is the plunger collar, which is the hardest piece of metal in the entire system, as it holds all the force from all the load. We're going to screw it down until it's absolutely flush with the surface. We will lock it into place, and you have a Trident base. Thank you for paying attention to the demonstration of our sealed bases. As you can see, they're absolutely bespoke in appearance. They're level, they're smooth, they're functional. They require no plumbing, no electrical, no hydraulic, no compressed air. They're ready to go. Trident offers a simple open base design, either sealed or slightly raised with a bevel, simply bolted through the deck with a large flange nut to attach it from the underside. We've had a look at several Trident removable fittings. They all work on the same principle, whether it's a handrail fitting or a light pole or a cleat or a commercial model. but I'd like to demonstrate one. And I've selected the handheld aviation unit to demonstrate. It was designed to be used on a flight deck where tools are not authorized. So let's take a look at how a Trident hand-operated flight deck model works. Simply take the fitting, insert it into the base, push the collar down to deactivate the lock, turn it clockwise, the Tridents will extend, set the secondary lock, and the unit is ready to use. To remove the unit, undo the secondary lock, depress the first lock, counterclockwise, and remove the unit. I'm often asked if there's any magic in a Trident fitting. There's no magic. It's solid design, good engineering, good legal work to give you good patents. And it all starts with components. So I want to show you the components, and I want to show you how they go together. We have a top, various different designs. We have a specialty shaft. Shaft has an energizer device, spring. Going to add a locking collar and a base, both of which have seals. Going to add a shaft collar. After the shaft collar, we're going to add 3 Tridents. Going to add a locking collar, which will be welded on so people cannot take it apart. And we have an operational Trident fitting. It's been our pleasure to show you just some of our units. 2 of our different types of bases, hand-operated tie-down, a tool-operated tie-down. We've shown you a removable handrail, a removable cleat. How about something we're just developing? A shackle where you could remove the pin that easy. Trident is moving forward all the time. We have units in 5 sizes, from 5 to 25,000 pounds. That means ultimate braking strengths of 15,000 to 75,000 pounds. Last, I would really like to compliment our team of designers, engineers, machinists, attorneys, ISO certified testers. These fittings are years in refinement, and now they're fully patented. The team that designed them is truly international. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to view our Trident video. Thank you, and good day.
Trident. What can't you afford to lose? Why not anchor your assets?